Alrighty folks, good morning. Today is Friday. We have the day off from school. And Mo and I are heading to Dusseldorf today to do some shopping and kind of just look around. Just have like a nice little traveling day. So yeah. Hi! Come on! Oh, she just flipped me off. That's really nice. Tell us where we are. Okay, so we're in Dusseldorf obviously now. Last time I filmed was at home, so I haven't filmed anything. We just had lunch, and yeah, we're just gonna shop around some more probably, right? Cool.
And we are all as well over here.
What?
I don't know, just
okay.
the word sentence with the wrong words. Now we're going to Zara. It's over here, so let's go. Now we're at Zara and we're going to shop.
Ooh.
Guck mal, da ist ein Fahrrad drin oder ein Reifen.
Ja.
Siehst du das?
Ja, mit Lenkrad.
Hashtag having a hard day, so need to sleep.
Okay. Wait. Okay. No idea if that worked, but anyway. So today we are going to, I don't even know what to call it. It's like a tree climbing park. I know that doesn't really make sense, but you will see. And I'm so excited to go. It's going to be a lot of fun. It's a really, really nice day. It's like almost no clouds in the sky. It's super nice and warm. And yeah, should be fun.
Just do it!
You can do it. I believe in you.
Sorry, it's so high. No, it's okay. And you will for sure not die. Yes!
Oh. Once more.
Okay. So we're all done for the day. I wasn't allowed to film, but it was a lot of fun until we did the last route. And holy crap. Literally every obstacle that I did, I was like, I just want to be down. I don't want to do this anymore. And the last one was the clip you just saw of me having to jump off of that, and it says base jumping on the tree. So you're standing way up in this tree and you're supposed to jump, and this thing is so loose and you're like, is this even gonna slow down? So it took me so long and people were waiting, and oh, but it was so scary. But I did it. I'm exhausted. My arms. It was a really good workout for sure. Maybe if we go again I can hide my GoPro and take some more videos, but just know it was a lot of fun and I'm so exhausted now, so yeah. Alrighty, we're going back to Venlo today, but this time we're taking bikes to a different country. I'm riding this really big bike right now and it's very hard because I'm so short. Okay, this bike. First, I have to use my tippy toes. Second, the tire's deflated. Oh, this is gonna be good. It's so warm today though. Oh my gosh, it's actually really hot. In Fahrenheit, almost 80 today. So yeah, it's a really nice day to go to another country. My bike, woo! Yeah, I'm not doing that on this bike. It's so warm today, holy cow. How casual it is to just ride a bike to a different country. And now we're in the Netherlands. That's so crazy. We've been on the bike for 10 minutes. And now we're in a whole nother country. Get it, girl. Oh boy. I'm struggling here, but I'm having so much fun. Oh, it's so fun. Made it! I was a little scared a couple of times on my bike, but it's all good, we made it. So we went to a little candy shop and we found some Sour Patch Kids. Mo has never had a Sour Patch Kid ever, so these are kind of different, obviously, as you guys in America know. These aren't the regulars, but give it a try. Yeah, the red one is the best. What do you think?
So good.
Yes, I know. It's so good. Have you tried them?
Erst irgendwie.
Don't drop it.
Das wird so.
Was denkst du? Also?
Tastes like Hubba Bubba.
Hubba Bubba. Hubba Bubba. Hubba Bubba. Peach Fanta. It's really good. It actually tastes like fresh peaches.
This tastes like.
It tastes like licorice. Even though there's berries on it, it smells and tastes like black licorice. So, interesting finds in the Netherlands today. Last time I was here in Venlo, we were on that bridge, I believe. Now we're over here and they've got like a, I don't even know, just like a festival, carnival thing. Yeah. Can I just say that never before in my life did I ever think that at some point I would be able to ride my bicycle from a city in the Netherlands back to Germany. You know, it's not something I ever thought that... It's something that happens in movies, it happens in TV shows, it happens in books, it doesn't happen in real life. Or so I thought, but it does happen, and I think it's so incredible that I get to be living that out. You know, there are times, for sure, when being an exchange student can be really difficult, but there's also times that are absolutely life-changing, and for me, something as simple as just riding my bike from one country to another, that's a dream fulfilled. Yeah, I thought I would just say something about that. Yeah. I think that's gonna probably wrap it up for this video. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. As always, thank you for watching.